Class 3 Maths. This is multiplication lesson worksheet, page number 89. Moon facts. Some moon facts about the moon are given below. The moon goes around the earth once in about 28 days. People wait 6 times more on earth than they would on moon. For example, if the weight of the person is a 10 kg on moon, so on earth it is 10 into 6 means 60 kg on the earth. You can jump 6 times higher on moon than on earth. Scientists believe that the moon does not have air and water. From this given information, now we have to solve this given question. A child who weighs 5 kg on moon would weigh dash kg on earth. If 5 kg on moon, then on earth 5 into 6. So 5 6 are 30 kg. A man who weighed 12 kg on moon, the weight dash kg on earth. So 12 into 6, 72 kg on earth. It takes the moon dash days to go around the earth 10 times. So we know that the first information, the moon goes around the earth once in about 28 days. So for once it takes 28 days, then 10 times means 28 into 10. So 280 days. An astronaut who drink 5 cup of water in a day needs dash cup of water on 25 days trip into space. So one day 5 cups of water. 25 day, how many cups of water? So 5 into 25, 125 cups of water. A child who can jump 75 centimeter on the earth can jump dash centimeter on the moon. So 6 times more if it jumps 75 this. So on earth it jumps 6 times more. 75 into 6, 450 centimeter. Just like same, Jaivir Sotomayor of Koba hold the world record of high jump at 245 centimeter. How high would this be on moon? So 1470 centimeter, 245 into 6, and you will get the answer. So this is the information, given information, and from that we have to solve these questions. So that's it. Our lesson number 4 is done here. Now students, on a CBSE guidelines, we have to cut 30% of your syllabus. So lesson number 5 that we cut. I will give you this syllabus in detail in next 2 days, okay? So from this all lesson, from 12 lesson, we cut lesson number 5, division, lesson number 8, shapes, space and pattern, lesson number 10, time. But it does not mean the lesson is completely cut out. It means you don't need to solve these things on the textbook, but you have to go through the basic idea, you have to go through the activities, because these lessons are very important. From division you can understand the more division it is in syllabus. So for more division you should understand the division. So we are going to solve simple problems of division. Okay, so just outline. Next, shape, space and pattern, that you learn already past too much. So if we skip this lesson, that is okay, but we'll do activity on this lesson. And time. So time is also very important lesson. You will understand how to watch time in this lesson, but we are not going to solve the question in the textbook, but we are going to solve activity. We are going to do activity and solve some basic questions. So you will understand that how you can see the time. So this is the whole syllabus. We cut the lesson number 5, 8 and 10. So 5, 8 and 10 that you did not do any work in the textbook. I will give you work that you have to do from this lesson, not complete lesson. Now let's talk about PT2, which came in next September. So in PT2, lesson number 1, place value, lesson number 3, subtraction, lesson number 4, multiplication and lesson number 5, simple division questions will be there. That question I'll give you that came in the exam. So this is the simple questions of division that you will solve. So this is the portion of PT2. I hope you understand. I will send this syllabus. I will send this portion in detail afterwards. Okay, but this is just a revision for you. So more division that we are going to solve today. We don't need to use textbook for that, but we will practice some questions on way. So you need to write this heading in your notebook. Okay, lesson number 5, division. First start division. Okay, this is nothing new for you. Okay, you already go through with this lesson in class 2 also. So this is the sign of division. This is the sign of division. We know the sign of addition, multiplication, subtraction, but this is the sign of division. Now division means you have to equally divide everything. For example, you have 10 ice creams and you are 5 brothers sisters. Okay, total you have 10 ice creams and 5 brothers sisters. So each sister, each brother, you have to give 2 ice cream. Then it is equally divided. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 ice creams and you guys are 5. आप 5 बच्चे हो. So one kid get 2 ice cream. 1 2 3 4 5. So you guys are 5, and you will get 2 ice creams each. So how will you know that you will get 2? So total ice creams are 10 and total students are 5. So 10 divided by 5. Basically it means to say 5 stable when 10 came. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Okay, look, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So 2, number of 2 is the answer because 5 is already there, 10 is also there. So 2 is not there, you have to write 2. One more question, 45 divided by 5. So in 5 that you have to table of 5, you have to speak the table of 5. In 5 table when 45 came. In 5 the table when 45 came. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. So 45, it is 5 nines are 45. 5 is already there, 45 is already there. What is not there? What is not there? The 9 is not there, so 9 is the answer. Like that, 18 divided by 3 is equal to dash. So in 3's table, when 18 came, so 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. You can write table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18. So 3, 18. What answer? 3 sixes are 18. So 6 is the answer. The answer should be middle line always in division. So this is called division. 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. Let's take one more example. 20 divided by 4 is equal to dash. You have 20 pencils and you are 4 students. So each student get how many pencils? Divide it means equally division. बांटना, हर एक को equally बांटना, मिलना चाहिए सबको सब कुछ. So 20 divided by 4. So 4's table we are going to speak. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are... You can write table instead of speaking. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. You will get 20. Here is the 20 answer. 4's table, 4's table. What is the answer? 5 is the answer. In 4 table when 20 came, 4 fives are 20. So 5 is the answer. So from this concept, you have to solve this workbook page number 1. Page number 55, lesson number 5, division workbook. First 8, 2. So in 2 table, when 8 came, 2 fours are 8. So 2 means in one box you have to put 2 ice cube and total you have 8 ice cube. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many box filled? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is the answer. Like that, 15 divided by 3, it means in a one box you have to put 5 ice cube and total you have 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 done. How many ice cube filled? 1, 2, 3. So 3 is the answer. Means 5 3s are 15. In 5 table, 3 then 15 came. 5 3s are 15. Like that, 2's table when 10 came. So in one box you have to put 2 ice cube and total you have 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boxes are there. So like that you have to solve rest of the other questions. But in workbook lesson number 5 you have to solve only this page, not other pages. And here we had complete PT2 syllabus. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. Thank you.